Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build social proof with Yotpo, complete guide step by step clearly. To build social proof with Yotpo, start by creating your Yotpo account. Sign up using your business email to access the platform's features. Integrate Yotpo with your e-commerce store by following the provided setup instructions. Once integrated, navigate to the product review section of your dashboard. Encourage customers to leave reviews by sending automated email prompts after purchase. Customize the email templates to align with your brand voice for a personal touch. Enable visual user-generated content by allowing customers to upload photos with their reviews. Highlight these reviews on your product pages to enhance credibility. Set up a reviews display widget to showcase your top reviews prominently. Utilize Yotpo's social sharing features to encourage customers to share their experiences on social media. Monitor your reviews regularly to respond promptly to customer feedback. Leverage positive reviews in your marketing campaigns to build trust with potential buyers. Analyze the performance of your reviews and adjust your strategies accordingly. Consider using Yotpo's loyalty program to incentivize repeat purchases and encourage more reviews. Keep your review section updated to reflect current customer experiences and maintain engagement. Finally, track your social proof metrics within Yotpo to assess the impact on your conversion rates. With these steps, you can effectively harness Yotpo to build strong social proof for your brand. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.